What is up everyone? Welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, let me show you how to delete all emails and Gmail at once on your Android phone. So let's start. First, you'll need to close the Gmail app and open a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Go to google.com and click on the three dots in the top right and select desktop site. Once the desktop version loads, go to the top right of google.com and click on Gmail. It may take a moment to load and the interface will appear small, but you can zoom in to navigate. Click on the select button above the emails to select 50 conversations. Then scroll along and click on select all conversations in your inbox. Now all emails are selected. You can delete them by clicking on the delete button at the top. Confirm the bulk action if prompted. After deleting, go to the left and navigate to Trash. Select emails from the trash, click on Select All, and then click on Delete Forever to permanently delete them. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.